How about that, baby? That's the inside of the Z1. Beautiful, huh? Let me take you for a little tour. This is the power supply, 400-watt power supply that snaps out just like at the Z8. We've got NVIDIA Quadro MXN graphics, a family of cards to drive the ultimate in performance for the professional applications. And if you want to, reconfigure and swap out a hard drive. It's that simple. That simple. We have room for up to 2 hard drives, either SSDs or high-performance SATA drives. We've got a carrier that, again, if you recognize from the Z800, we've got these little rubber grommets that will dampen the vibration throughout the system. And Jeff's going to take you through the rest of the chassis here.
Intel Xeon CPUs for highest end performance. You see the fans here, technology throughout to keep this system whisper quiet. Very important in our customers' environments for audio production, video production. Want to keep the system noise at a low level. Any issues with optical drives or maybe swapping that out, very simple to pop in and out. Very serviceable by the end user. We talked about the premium sound here. These speakers are mounted such a way that it doesn't provide any vibration on the internal chassis when there's a lot of bass response as well. We've also integrated thermal touch points here, sensors in the system, eight of them around the system to actually moderate the fan speeds to keep this system quiet. So it's very, very much an engineering marvel.
Now, the other thing about the sound system is there are other all-in-ones out there that may be 27 inches that have sound, but their speakers point vertically down to the desk. In fact, it sounds tinny. So you'll see that these speakers actually are front-facing and deliver a really rich sound experience. Even here on the inside, we've got a little USB holder, so if you've got a wireless keyboard, you can stick the dongle in there. If you've got a high-end application that needs a license key, you can secure it in the chassis. The chassis has a Kensington lock on the front, so you can secure everything that's inside the system, even though it's very, very serviceable.
It even locks the lid here, Jim, so no one can get inside the chassis once it's secure.
Speaking of the lid, will you please?
I will do it, Jim.
Oh, I love this part. Well,
just like my BMW.
Watch for it. Watch for it.